Greetings party peeps and welcome back to my YouTube channel where once again I will be talking Streets Viennetta, but not just any Streets of Viennetta. This little bad boy is brand new. Now shout out to my buddy Meredith who let me know that this was in supermarkets at the moment, specifically Coles. I'm talking the brand new Neapolitan Streets Viennetta. God damn it. Riveting viewing. Now that looks very different. Interesting. Very interesting. Get a closer look. With a generous cut. The good thing with the Viennetta is you can sort of, I don't know, generously pick your portion in terms of how many waves you want. So, this is one of the faults of the Viennetta, unfortunately, because you can't, because that's got that little lip. Muck this one up. Righto, let's tuck in. Try it all of it in one hit. First things first, this is dominated heavily by the strawberry flavour, as you can see. Like there's very little in terms of distribution, so it's very much strawberry. There's not a lot of chocolate, as you can gather. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. So far, look, the Vienna sticks, which were only $5 from Coles, has the edge in terms of Viennetta variants. By splitting it like I've done here, now you've just got like the stock standard vanilla Viennetta and a strawberry Viennetta. But like I said, strawberry just absolutely dominates the, I can't think of the word I'm thinking of. It outranks, the ratio of flavors is probably strawberry 60%, vanilla 20%, and 10% for chocolate, so your mileage may vary. Well, all in all, it's not a bad product, but yeah, it's not as good as the original. When you isolate the strawberry on its own, it actually very much overpowers the chocolate. Unlike a regular Viennetta, where the vanilla ice cream complements the chocolate. Look, in terms of Viennettas, it's not bad. I applaud them for trying something new, but to the people that said, I'm a traditionalist, stick with the regular Viennetta, I can 100% agree where you're coming from. In summary, there's a bit too much strawberry there. It almost makes it seem like a strawberry Viennetta with some vanilla, as opposed to a Neapolitan, because if you look at a Neapolitan ice cream, all three sections are all equal, whereas it's definitely not equal here. But nonetheless, look, it's not too bad. For $7, if you're going to bring this to a party, no one's going to really go, oh, geez. Actually, they might, because they might wonder, why didn't you bring a regular Viennetta? But yeah, 100% go with a regular Viennetta all the time. But thanks for watching, I guess.